My name is Cigdem. I'm from Turkey. I heard people's recommendations about her before I met her. So I watched her videos and I saw how good a dancer she is. Then I started classes with her about 14 years ago. Irene's teaching is different from others because she's very patient and she does tailored teaching. She really repeats the movements if you can't do them, and until you can do them, she repeats and repeats. This is what I like, and she has a very positive approach to her teaching and to her students, and she knows what you like and what you want to do. And she also knows your challenges, and she just builds on the skills that the students have. There are so many of them. The last one can be today. This time I came to Seville for like 12 days, and I had 10 classes with her. And today is the last day, so actually was the last day. And in the last day, I saw that we finished the whole choreography of Sentío, and I really digested the movements thanks to her repetition, and that is a breakthrough. Now I'm returning to my hometown with a new choreography. This never happened with other people, I could say. And my teacher is great in teaching those palos and rhythm forms because she writes the acentos, the accents and everything, and you see, she visually teaches music. This is really awesome. To someone looking for flamenco classes, I'd suggest private classes. Of course, my teacher Irene would be the best option. You know nothing, for example, and you start from scratch. And you can discover what you can do and what you cannot do. And in time, you can build on it. But private classes would be the best option, I think. Of course, she gives everything that she has. There's no secret. I never feel like that. She even creates new movements. For example, today she created an escobilla for me, special for me. And she gives things that she does on stage, and this is a privilege.